Hello everyone, my name is Anmol and currently I am working as a data analyst in Addend Analytics. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the new update of on-object interaction in Power BI. Let's directly move to the Power BI to explore this exciting feature. So this new exciting feature is all about switching from the old visualization pane to the new visualization pane. This new feature has just got dropped off in the March 2023 update version of Power BI, and it comes packed with some game-changing features that will supercharge your data visualization game. In this video, we are going to explore all these new features and I will show you how they can make you a Power BI pro. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you have the March 2023 version of Power BI installed. To verify this, click on the Help button and then go to the About, and here you will able to see the month in which you have updated your Power BI desktop app. So as you can see here, I already have the September 2023 update, so I will be able to access that new feature. The first step is to enable a brand new feature which is available in the preview option. So what you have to do, you simply have to go to the file section, then you have to click on options and settings, and then you have to click on options. Now from there, navigate to preview features, and there you will find the option for on object interaction. You have to check this box and click on OK. I have already enabled this feature, so when I click on OK, I wouldn't get any notification, but when you enable it for first time, you will get the notification to restart your Power BI app. So what you have to do is you simply have to restart your Power BI desktop app, and now when you navigate to the home tab, we will get the new update. So let's take a closer look at what this new version has to offer. You will notice right away that the home ribbon now house all the chart options, making it more intuitive and similar to how Excel works. This change not only maximizes your screen real estate but also streamline the workflow. Now moving ahead, if you want to add the visual, you can simply select the visual type from the home ribbon, or if you directly want to create, then you can simply right click on the screen and you can click on this add visual button. Let's first import a dummy dataset. I will use the sample dataset. I will simply click on the load sample data. Once the data got loaded, simply right click on the screen and click on add visual. Then use the add data button to add the data for your visual. Let's suppose you first add the country. It will automatically create a visual according to the data, but let's suppose you particularly want to create a column chart, so turn off this suggest a type option and from this drop down list select column chart. And now you want to see further details, so you can add other data by simply clicking on the add data option. So let's suppose I want to see the gross sales, so I will add that and it will load the data. What it does is it eliminates the need to drag and drop the field from the visualization pane. If you have measures, then you can also add those measures directly from these options. Now moving ahead, how we can work with this visual. So working with this visual has never been smoother than this. If you want to add data label, just click on this paintbrush icon and you are good to go. You will get the options to add data labels directly from here. No more hunting through menus and find the options to add various details for your visual. Now if you want to edit or format this visual, what you have to do? If you don't like the title, you can simply double click on it and you will be able to edit the title. So as you can see, editing the title is very easy. Directly you can do it directly through the visual. Next, if you want to format your visual and if you want to change the grid line, then you can simply click on grid line, and when you right click, you can change color directly from here. You can select the various options that what you want to edit. If you want to change the color of the columns, you can select the column name and then you can change the color for your visual. And while you can use the new button to create visual, you can still go back to the data view. Let's suppose you don't want to add data from here, you want the pane as the older versions. So what you have to do, click on this button and then expand this and add it to the pane switcher. Here you will get the option as similar to the older version. And the exciting feature we have is that we can customize our pane. So how we can do this? You simply have to click on this add button. If you want to see data, you can enable this. If you want to add bookmarks, you can enable directly from here. And whatever you want to see, you can turn it on or off according to your need. And changing color is simple too, as we have already seen in the formatting option. And title formatting got upgraded as well. We can also add the subtitles to our visual. When we click on this visual and go to the formatting option, inside the title option we get the option to add subtitles as well. So this is an exciting update. It provides more detail about your visual. And here is a pro tip for you. If you want to distinguish between editing the chart and interacting with it, look at the border color of the visual. If you select the visual and the border color is in gray color, then it simply means you are interacting with this visual. If you click on anywhere on the visual, it will filter the data according to your selection. But if the border color is blue when you double click it, this means that you are in the formatting options and you can format the visuals when you click on it. So this is all about the new feature of on object interaction. Thank you for watching.